Hello and welcome. This is the 6th Hangul lesson, and now we talk about the real problems with pachim. As I said the last time, if a pachim meets an initial consonant in within a word, like here, certain rules apply, and the pronunciation changes. I should be able to cover all the rules in this and the following lesson. By now I hope everybody knows what a pachim is. We talk about a consonant in a syllable block, which is on the final position, as you can see here. That's the pachim in green. I will again use brackets to show the difference between pronunciation and writing. First, we are going to talk about something called carryover. By the way, this consonant is called ion, and as we all know already, has no sound at the initial position, and a sound at the final position, like in the word slang. But if in the middle of a Korean word, the ion works as a space holder, which means the pachim moves at the initial position of the ion and replaces it. The pronunciation of this word is not am-ul, it is amul. This, however, is not that difficult. If you would try to speak am-ul fast a few times, it would change by itself. Am-ul, amul, amul. And there we go. It gets a little bit trickier if you take consonants which have different pronunciation as final and initial consonant, like the Korean S, ot. But if we add a un, the pronunciation is not o-dun, but o-sun. Let's practice a little bit. Babi, Dada, Goshi, No, Pomul, Kari. There is one exception. If an digut or tigut pachim is followed by e, just e, not u, not a, etc., the tigut changes to chiut and the tigut changes to chiut. Let's practice. Gachi, guchi, pachi, gochi. Other than that, there is a second and this time irregular exception. And that's the middle shield, which changes sometimes into neon, like in this example, namu nip, and not namu ship. But at this time, trust me, the explanation for that exception would cause more confusion than it would help. Just for now, don't be surprised if it happens. So, if you have a double consonant, like here, the whole double consonant moves to the ion position. But if we have two different consonants, just the last consonant moves at the ion position, as you can see here. Let's practice. Gesso, halta, bokkum, anda. And the last rule for this lesson is called double consonant liaison. That one is very simple. If there's a pachim which is the same consonant as the following initial consonant, the pachim moves to the initial position and we have a double consonant, like here. Mokki, ippan, machopta. There is one exception to this rule. If the real meets another real, the sound changes to something very similar to a double L in English, as in Illinois. A Korean example would be the expression jugule. Okay, let's practice what we learned so far. Akki, itta, appak, mari, molla, mok, mokshi, anta, anja, halta, halta, opta, opso. That's it for this lesson. Thanks for watching and see you next time.